Well, here it is. I don't have the flash now. This is what it looks like without a light behind it. I'm going to take it off the stand. Let me cut some lights off because this is a night light, so I had to do some cutting down perimeters and thinning on the program. It's not going to be perfect, but it's pretty damn good. Once I get everything straight, lined up, that'll be good. Well, hang on. That'll be good. Right there. Look at them cute little girls. We'll get it right. I guarantee it'll be right before I ever give it to anybody. So I'll work on it. All right. Love you, girl. Love you all.